Well, I hope you are enjoying your Sunday. Meteorologist Andrew Kozak here, wrapping up a winter storm that gave parts of the area up to 12 inches of snow, in some cases even a little bit more. Mainly rain for Philadelphia, much of central areas, including central New Jersey, southern New Jersey, got even just a little bit of snow before the rain came in and washed it all away. Currently, it is still delivering some light snow for Boston and areas in New England. That will continue to push off. It's a massive system. Behind it, the clouds are even giving way to some sunshine for us, and we're going to have a chance to clear out nicely as we head overnight and into your Monday. So as we head into the evening hours, we'll be looking at the clouds giving way to some clearing sky. And yes, as temperatures approach freezing, especially those areas that receive snow, we may see some freezing on the roadways. Just be careful if you're out and about tonight. Take a look at a couple of totals. This is going to be for those northern areas. Pocono Pines takes the top, 13.5 inches in the highest elevations. Jim Thorpe, 11.1. Whitehall Township, around 6.5. Easton, 6. A little over 5 in Bethlehem. Now, as we head a little bit closer to the Philadelphia metro, this is where we had the lighter amounts, including Philadelphia, that only received about a trace of snow before the rain came and washed it away. Eagleville, around 2 inches, a little less than that in Norristown and East Rock Hill Township, about 2.5. All right, so for tonight, down to 33 in the city, partly cloudy skies, seasonally cold, although a little bit warmer than we actually should be this time of year, upper 20s to around 30. Northwest winds keeping breezes a little bit on the stronger side at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So we have a beautiful stretch of weather, very small stretch of weather for tonight and into your Monday. Monday's cool, seasonable, but sunny and nice. Take a break, because on Tuesday we have a powerful storm system moving in. Yes, our next one, and this is going to give us our next weather alert day for Tuesday. Now, it is going to be an all-rain event, but it could give us a lot of rain. And because of that, we already have a flood watch in effect for Tuesday all the way through Wednesday night. And this does include almost the entire, if not the entire area from Philadelphia to the Lehigh Valley Poconos and pretty much all of New Jersey and Delaware. What I'm concerned about is going to be those areas that received all that snow from yesterday's storm, getting in some cases 1 to 3 inches of additional rain in a short amount of time. We're going to be looking at flash flooding being a big issue. So let's get right into our futurecast. Again, Monday looks great. Tuesday morning, we'll start to see that rain approach. Now, there could be a couple of flakes flying over toward Carbon, Monroe counties, but quickly warm air moves in. And this is going to be an all-rain event. You heard it here, all-rain event, but a lot of it. Midday on Tuesday, the rain starts getting going, and where we have some of those yellow areas, we're looking at some pretty moderate downpours into the afternoon, and then heavy rain with some of those yellow and orange areas by the time we get to 5 o'clock. Tuesday is going to be a very rainy day, and then Tuesday night, especially as we approach 7, 8 o'clock, we could be looking at absolutely torrential downpours, and this is what concerns me. Tuesday night and into your early Wednesday morning. Look at the oranges and even reds across the Jersey Shore. This would be just absolutely drenching downpours late Tuesday into early Wednesday, and then finally by the time we get into the early part of Wednesday, the commute will start to slowly clear things out and dry things up. So I'm concerned about the heavy rain. I'm also concerned on Tuesday with the gusty winds. By the time we get to midday, the winds will be howling between 15 and 25, and then look at this. By the evening on Tuesday, we could have, this is not just the gusty winds that we'd have at a little bit of time, but several hours of gusts between 40, 50 miles per hour, and look at that, even 60 it's putting in Millville. Now, this is just a rough estimate. It's not the gospel, but this is going to be a very powerful storm. You combine that with those real drenching downpours, and we likely are going to be looking at some power outages, delays, and even cancellations at the airport. Wednesday morning, the winds are still 20 to 25 miles per hour, and as the storm system wraps up, behind it, we're still going to be looking at winds between 30 and 40 miles per hour through the day on Wednesday. So how much rain? Again, this is an estimate, but on top of already all that rain and snow to the north that we had, by the time all is said and done Wednesday, we could be looking at 2 to 3 inches of rain across the area. That's going to melt much of the snow, but it's also going to create a whole slew of problems. So here are the impacts to you. Widespread flooding, not out of the question. Trees down, wind damage. Again, this is something that we can see across the entire area. Power outages and beach erosion, and that's something else for the Jersey Shore. We're keeping our eye on that because so many areas from, we'll say, Toms River, LBI, and all the way down Sea Isle, the Wildwoods, Cape May have really had a bunch of beach erosion issues so far this season, and any more could really wipe out some of those dunes that they put up. So we're going to keep our eye on that. Now, Now tomorrow, for your Monday, 44 in the city, 46 at the shore, and the Lehigh Valley coming in at around 40 degrees. Again, the storm has exited. We will continue to keep our eye on all of the developing conditions for Tuesday coming up this evening. And of course, tonight at 11 o'clock on CBS News Philadelphia, we're going to give you an entire detailed outlook on what's going to be happening as we head early in the week. Again, our next weather alert day on Tuesday. Start thinking about staying inside as much as you can because it's going to be a windswept, rainy type of day. I'm meteorologist Andrew Kozak. Join us at 11 on CBS News Philadelphia. Don't forget about our free app. You can download that CBS News Philadelphia weather app. And of course, 24 hours a day, we are streaming live on CBSPhiladelphia.com. Have a great Sunday.